Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Generating documents is only half the battle. If they all end up in one giant pile with generic names, you're just creating more work for yourself later. A professional workflow needs a professional filing system. Let's look at how SmartForm Publisher keeps your Google Drive perfectly organized, automatically. The secret to a searchable drive is dynamic naming. Instead of a static title, use markers in your file naming convention. Next, tell the add-on exactly where these files belong. By default, they go to your root folder, but you can select a specific destination folder for every form you create. This allows you to keep your invoices in one place, your HR records in another, and your project briefs in a third, all without lifting a finger. Want to go even deeper? You can even use markers to create subfolders on the fly. SmartForm Publisher can automatically sort files into folders named after your clients or departments, creating a nested filing system that grows with your business. Get organized today. Install SmartForm Publisher and take control of your Google Drive. Visit gwaddons.com for more tips on mastering your digital workspace.